Every real estate cycle creates thousands of apartments, but only a handful of projects becomes a market benchmark. Why? Because buyers don't pay premium for buildings. They pay premium for the project that stands apart from everything around them. The reality is simple. When every developer starts selling the same location, the same road, same connectivity, and the same growth story, the only thing left that can create extraordinary value is differentiations. And that's exactly why we are analyzing this project today. BPTP Verti Greens and Gaia Residence. And as always, no emotional selling, no brochure marketing, only numbers, only positioning, and only investment logic. Because BPTP Verti Greens and Gaia Residence is not trying to compete on square footages. It is trying to create a complete different category of vertical living. The question is, can this differentiation translate into a stronger demand and stronger pricing power with long-term appreciation? Let's break it down. Before analyzing the investment potential, let's understand the scale. Total land parcel, which is 12.05 acres, total 8 towers, 4 apartments per core, 7 high-speed lift per tower, floor-to-floor height, which is 10.33 feet, 1.75 lakh square feet clubs and landscape amenities. Most projects focus on maximizing inventory, but the best project focus on maximizing the experience. And that's where this project appears to take the different approach. Because when residents spend years living inside a community, daily convenience matter more than the launch day marketing. 7 lifts per tower improves vertical mobility. Higher floor-to-floor heights improve openness. Large common areas improve community experience, and together, these seemingly small details directly impact long-term livability. The project has been divided into two residential offerings. First is Verti Greens, which have 5 towers, and in this, 2 BHK size varies from 1654 to 1657 square feet, and in 3 BHK, size varies from 2460 to 2464 square feet. Second is Gaia Residence, which have 3 towers from 6 to 8, and in this, 3 BHK size varies from 2089 to 2106 square feet. Let's discuss what actually makes this project different. Most luxury projects build amenities. This project is attempting to build experience. There is a difference. Traditionally, amenities remains concentrated at ground level. Residents visit them occasionally. Here, lifestyle infrastructure has been distributed vertically. This changes fundamentally how residents interacting with the project. Work from home zones within the tower. Sky garden integrated into daily life. Multiple elevated community space. This is the concept commonly seen in advanced residential development globally, but still relatively rare in Gurugram. That creates differentiation. And in real estate, differentiation creates pricing power because when buyers cannot find similar alternatives, competition reduces, and reduced competition strengthens a future demand. No matter how impressive this project is, real estate remains a location driven asset because appreciation follows accessibility and accessibility follows infrastructure. The project benefits from connectivity to some of the most important growth corridors in Gurugram. Travel matrix. IGI Airport, which is approximately 30 to 35 minutes away. Cyber City, which is approximately 25 to 30 minutes away. NH48, a quick connectivity. Dwarka Expressway, easy access. Major hospitals within 10 to 15 minutes and leading schools within 10 to 15 minutes. Shopping and entertainment zone also within the 15 to 20 minutes connectivity. This doesn't improve convenience, it improves desirability, and desirability creates demand. The easier a project is to access, the larger its future buyer pools become. That directly impacts resale potential. Most buyers eventually forget brochure and they never forget daily living experience, and this project appears heavily focused on livability. Wellness infrastructure, yoga and meditation deck at 400 feet, wellness zones, landscape greenscapes, and elevated relaxation areas. The project attempts to integrate wellness into everyday life, not just an amenity, but as a lifestyle. Recreation infrastructure: 4 swimming pool, family recreation spaces, social interaction areas, and community gathering zones. Strong family focused planning often translates into a stronger long term resident satisfaction. Dedicated co working lounge, productivity spaces, and hybrid working support. Increasingly important for the modern professionals. Structural confidence. Seismic zones 5 resident design, one of the most overlooked but important feature because luxury means very little without structural security. Now let's move away from the project and focus on the market because projects don't create appreciation, markets do. This project sits within one of the new Gurugram rapidly evolving residential corridors. And that matters because the strongest wealth creation opportunity usually emerge when infrastructure and residential demand start accelerating simultaneously. Growth drivers includes new Gurugram expansion, Dwarka Expressway influence, improving road infrastructure, growing corporate employment bases, expanding social infrastructure, future metro connectivity potential, increasing luxury housing demand, and rising end user participation. And now, here's what investors should understand. The biggest appreciation phase usually doesn't occur when the infrastructure is announced. It occurs when infrastructure becomes usable and the transition is already underway across New Gurugram. The corridor is steadily moving from an emerging market to a mature residence ecosystem. And historically, that phase creates some of the strongest price movement. Current pricing is 20,000 per square feet plus GST, PLC, and IFMS. Now let's ask the question serious investor ask. Is the product differentiated enough to justify future demand? Because future appreciation depends on future desirability. At this pricing point, buyers are receiving large family homes, vertical lifestyle infrastructure, sky garden ecosystem, extensive wellness amenities, premium community planning, and modern residential specifications. Projects that create unique experience often retain pricing power, but better than the projects that simply offer square footages. That is the core investment thesis here. One of the most underrated aspects of investing is capital deployment because ROI isn't determined only by the appreciation, it's determined by how efficiently capital is used. There are two available plans. First is 10:90 bank MIP and second is 30:70 payment plans. The significance is simple. Buyers can maintain exposure to future appreciation while preserving a large portion of the liquidity. That flexibility can be valuable for both investors and end users because preserved capital creates optionality and optionality creates opportunity. Let's bring everything together. The vertical lifestyle concept creates a unique market position and unique product often attract strong demand. Large format homes remain highly attractive for families. Family driven demand tends to more stable than investor driven demand. Flexible payment structure improves affordability and investor flexibility, which can enhance overall investment returns. Together, these four drivers create a compelling long-term investment framework. Every cycle produces hundreds of residential launches. Most got forgotten, a few become reference point, not because they were bigger, not because they were taller, but because they were different. BPTP Vertigreens and Gaia Residence. It is attempting to create that difference through vertical lifestyle and planning infrastructure with experience-led living. This is not a square footage story. This is not an amenity story. This is a differentiation story. The differentiation is where pricing power begins. Stay analytical, stay ahead, and stay positioned. Thank you.